airport, and it was fairly a good flight. It's just a little bit of turbulence because there's been lots of storms in Bruce Vegas, and so we had to go through those thick clouds. But all good now. We're gonna get our bags soon and get picked up. So adios. And we have arrived to Kings Park. It's a perfect day to be out in a beautiful park like Kings Park and chilling with family, friends, lovers. This park literally has got the best views of the city, and I think this is Swan River. So guys, this is a monument of the First World War, and I'll read for you what it says, what's engraved on there. And it basically says, erected by grateful citizens in remembrance of men of this state who at the call of duty gave their lives for freedom and humanity in the Great War, 1914 to 1918. And down here says, lest we forget. So yeah, forever grateful to all these people, because the reality is some of us will never know what it was like. Hello everyone, so we are at Shore House restaurant. It is by the beach, Swanbomb Beach. I think that's the beach that it is basically facing towards. So it is mainly Australian, like modern Australian cuisine. And what we just had was a really fresh tomato salad, as well as we had fries The fries came with like a spiced salt, which was really yummy. We definitely would recommend for you to come here, especially for drinks, because the drinks menu is mint. It is on point. So food wise, I reckon it's definitely more on the pricier side of things. So like for example, the fries is about $9.50, and I think that's great for certain times or for some people, but it may be a little expensive for others. But other than that though, like, you know, with what we had, it was really yummy. And so if you want a place that is next to the beach with really yummy drinks and really lovely also, because we've got a menu on the deck here which has got like some reasonably priced things. So you go to the beach, have something to drink, have something to eat. It's great. It's a good life. Can't complain. And the breeze is amazing. So come check it out. So being on the west coast of Australia, it means that there's always amazing sunsets, and Shore House is literally facing Swanbourne Beach, and it is a perfect spot to watch the sunset. Right now the sun is hitting me real good. I feel great. And so if you definitely, like, you can come here for sunset drinks. It's a perfect spot. If you come around 5, especially in summer, if you come around 5 o'clock, 5:30, you will definitely get a good spot. But anywhere from around 6:30 onwards, it starts getting packed. So we came here around 5:30. It was perfect. The other thing is actually the staff are really friendly, and we were able to do whatever we wanted, and they were just, you know, very chilled, but also there for you when you need them. So cool spot. Cheers.